How to get Netflix and sign up for Netflix free trial. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sign up for Netflix free trial, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to sign up for free trial on Netflix, basically whenever you open up your browser and then you simply type in Netflix then free trial, and currently as you can see Netflix does not offer free trials. So unfortunately currently Netflix are not offering us any sort of free trials, but you can actually have the freedom to change your plan or cancel online at any time if you decide that Netflix isn't for you, right? So basically it doesn't have a free plan, so you can just select Netflix free trial, but unfortunately you can see they don't offer it. But if you still want to get started regardless of all this, you can just go ahead and then log into your Netflix account and then basically create a new account, but there is no trial as of now. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.